Good morning, everyone. Today I am giving you the ideas about the garden outdoors. As you see in my video, I am giving you different ideas about the outdoor garden. A garden is the best place in the house, according to me, as it is the only place where a person can get relief from a busy life. Moreover, having a garden in the house welcomes many health benefits. For instance, a garden has many plants that give oxygen. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Furthermore, the smell of the flowers at the outdoor garden can refresh a person's mind in the morning. However, in this era, people are not able to build a garden because of the lack of space. And also, some think that it is a waste of space. But I think we cannot live without outdoor garden and cannot enjoy the life. An outdoor garden contains different types of plants, different types of varieties of flowers. For instance, it has different flowers such as rose, sunflowers, lilies, daisies. These flowers are the easiest to grow and flourish the environment with their beautiful smell. Please share my YouTube channel and subscribe my channel. Furthermore, an outdoor garden has different vegetables growing in them. Please share my YouTube channel. The garden has grass all over the area. As a result, this makes it the best place for any exercises or relaxing the mind. Furthermore, it has a soft ground where children can play different sports and can relieve their all the worries and refreshes their mind. Thank you.